Well, here is the milk jug and sugar basin in the Colclough 8182 pattern design. Turquoisey blue ground background on the outer walls, pure white on the inner. Quite a standardized shaped D-shaped or wasted sugar basin here. Let me get the focus on that for you. There we go. With indent scalloped rims, not a proper scallop, just indents basically. You can just see these little dips that occur around the outer rim of the upper wall. Colclough marks for Ridgway potteries. Pre-19, well, we'd normally say 1955 to around 1964, but this one actually we know is a little earlier than that, transitional piece, and we know that from the pottery pattern number, which is 8182. Not printed on either of these two pieces, but it is on the teacup basis, and that's where we get this one from. Lovely little squat D-shaped round milk jug, half-pint milk jug. Beautiful gilt detailing all around the rims, down the outside of the handle and around the base in absolutely immaculate and marked condition. Beautiful. I don't think this tea set has had much use at all during its relatively long life. We're putting it at 1946 through to 1954 on these china marks and with the pattern reference when we've done the research on this one. Not a common piece of Colclough china by any means, and we do have some teacup trios available for sale in the identical pattern and 2 cake plates coming through. Thanks for watching.